guys, this is Matthew Davis with Premier Performance Products. Just doing a quick review of the Magnaflow catback exhaust for the 2015 and 16 Subaru WRX. This is the 2-liter direct injected engine rather than the STI. The STI is 2.5 liter. This is the particular unit is a 3-inch catback exhaust. They also have a 2.5-inch street series. This is the competition series. It basically came in 4 parts. There is the intermediate pipe that bolts up directly to the catalytic converter outlet, and then there is the Y pipe, and then the 2 mufflers themselves. Installation was really straightforward. The directions were very clear, and the installation was simple enough you almost didn't need the directions. There's definitely a noticeable increase in low-end power, I would say. I've driven the car about 1,600 miles on the stock exhaust, and it was very, very quiet. This new engine has a ton of power. They're very quick cars, and with the Magnaflow, I did notice an increase in low-end power, and it's not an overbearing noise inside the cabin, but it just has a very nice deep tone. It's enjoyable to listen to.